Kanisa, Right Honorable Togiwendite, and our principals and all protocols. Jo Othogi Jo Kanountie. God is good. Ato podan gimirima mang'eny kaluwore gi gik ma osetimore. Okelo ni to ero nopusoro ringo. Na winjo no kelo ringo ga 100 meters. To jogo nofwenyo ne ong'ise nomera jogo biro. Okelo nokawa pika winjo ni ng'wech manong'ado go ka. Kong'ado dhi godo nyando. Bwana Eugene Okelo ended up in Kakamega, and when he reached Ososi's place, he discovered Ososi was also being looked for. I don't know where else he went. So Baba's people are under attack. And they know that they cannot touch Baba. So touch his people. They think that if they intimidate Baba's people, they will intimidate Baba. But Baba remained unbowed. Bunge Kisungu Maroni unbowed. Baba remained unbowed and will continue remaining unbowed. Okelo Maruni awinjo kawacho gani, if Baba so much as catches a cold, wato makwaura maka, kaku mako wage. I was in for only 4 days. My friend, you people don't know what Baba went through for 9 years. Weuru Baba bed Baba. Weuru Baba bedango. Ibedo ejela michale. Do you know a caged animal? Please cherish the freedom that Baba has fought for to date. You don't know what the time is. You don't know when the next meal will come. You're not allowed to get a phone call or food or medicine from your wife. When you deny somebody who has a predisposed condition, somebody who is either hypertensive, diabetic, asthmatic, or whatever that condition, that person under Article 43 is a person in need of emergency care. And when you deny them that right, you want that person to die. Udwani joge Baba otoejela, nuparo nubrobwogo Baba. We will remain unbowed. Nyasaye mondo gwedhu.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Powerful message.